Hello, class. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Okay, so once again, teacher is going to review all of your classwork done on Wednesday. Now, this is one video for all four grades. So teacher will review grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, and grade 4 all in this video. Okay, so I will start with grade 1. I'll end with grade 4. Grade 1. On Wednesday, we were talking about directions in our math textbook, specifically inside, outside, okay? Before that, we were talking about left, right, over, under. Today, we're going to review all of the answers on page 86, chapter 21, okay? So can you please go to page 86, chapter 21? And it was very simple. We had these three pictures right here. 1, 2, 3. And then it says, look at the pictures, circle the correct answers. Number 1, A, Amy is inside the room. Amy is outside the room. So where's Amy? Is she inside or outside? Inside. Amy is inside the room. Okay. Let's see. Letter B. A cat is inside the room. A cat is outside the room. Okay. A cat is outside the room. So A, inside. B, outside. And here, let's look at the second picture. We have a butterfly in the jar. And we have a bee right here. Letter A. Number 2, a bee is inside the jar, a bee is outside the jar. So is the bee inside the jar or is the bee outside the jar? Outside the jar. So a bee is outside the jar. And finally, a butterfly is inside the jar, a butterfly is outside the jar. Where is the butterfly? Inside the jar. A butterfly is inside the jar. Number 3, letter A. Mom is going inside. Mom is going outside. Okay. I would say mom is going inside. See the doors open. Mom is going inside. Then letter B. Brother ant and sister ant are playing ball inside. Brother ant and sister ant are playing ball outside. Outside. Okay. So number 1, letter A, inside, B, outside. Number 2, A, outside, B, inside. Number 3, A, inside, B, outside. And that's the answer for page 86, chapter 21. Don't forget to go and look at Thursday's classwork, okay? And if you need help with Thursday's classwork, don't worry. Join teacher tomorrow, again, here on YouTube, live. Thank you for joining me, grade 1, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, grade 2. We were talking about money, okay? So for Wednesday's work, we were talking about money, and we were working on chapter 9, page 40 in your textbook, okay? So remember, grade 2. This video is to go over all of the answers. So if you have not done page 40 in your math workbook yet, then don't watch this video, okay? Don't watch this video yet because this video is mainly to go over the answers. If you haven't done it yet, go into Wednesday's stories and watch Wednesday's math, okay? And in Wednesday's math, there will be a video that teacher helps and guides you along, okay? So if you haven't done this yet, go in the dojo, scroll under your monster and stories until you see Wednesday's math. Click on that video, watch that video, and in that video, teacher guides you through it, okay? So this is to go over the answers. So please go to page 40, chapter 9. Teacher's gonna write the grade right here. So you all know what grade teacher is working on, okay? Okay, there we go, grade 2. So in page 40, chapter 9, we see lots of coins, and they want us to work with coins. And let's look at the coins. We have nickel, quarter, 25 cents, dime, 10 cents, nickel, 5 cents, and a penny, 1 cent. 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent. Quarter, dime, nickel, penny. Then over here it says draw different coins to show the same value. So number 14, let's see, what do we have? We have 2 25-cent or 2 quarters, okay? We have 2 dimes or 2 10-cents, and we have 1 penny, 1 cent, okay? So that's for number 14. And they say draw different coins to show the same value. So first what we have to do is we have to add. So let's add them together. 25 and 25 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 1 is 71. So the answer is 71. Okay? So now they want us to draw different coins to equal 71 cents. Okay. For every student, it might be different because maybe someone draws 1 quarter and then a bunch of dimes and some nickels. Okay. But for teacher sees 71 cents. Teacher's going to just draw 7 of these dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here is 7 dimes. 7 dimes equals 70 cents. And then 1 penny. And there we go. Now we have different coins, okay? A different set of coins, but they both equal 71 cents. That's all they wanted you to do. They wanted you to pick different coins, okay? Maybe some nickels, and more quarters, or something like that, okay? So, yeah, they just wanted you to draw. So your answer might look different than teacher's. But for teacher, I just drew 7 dimes and 1 penny. And that equals the same amount as 2 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 penny, all right? Okay, let's do number 15. Number 15, let's see, what coins do we have? We have 2 dimes and 3 nickels. Okay, 2 dimes and 3 nickels. Now remember, dimes are 10 cents, nickels are 5 cents. Okay, and let's add them up. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. So the answer is 35 cents. Okay? So 2 dimes, 3 nickels equals 35 cents. This is the cent sign, okay? So now we need to draw different coins to make 35 cents. So, let's see. Is there a coin that is 25 cents? Yes, a quarter. So let's draw 1 quarter, so that's 25 cents. Now we still need 10 more cents. Is there a coin that's 10 cents? Yeah, a dime. And then we draw 1 dime, and this equals 35 cents. Okay? So 1 quarter, 1 dime equals 2 dimes, 3 nickels. They're the same. Okay? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. 25, 35. Okay? So for teacher drew 1 quarter, 1 dime. And you could have drawn something different. You could have drawn maybe 3 dimes and 1 nickel, right? It's 3 dimes, 1, 2, 3, that'll be 30 cents, plus 1 nickel, $1.35. Okay? So everyone's answer might look a little bit different. Okay, here we go. So number 16, it says check mark the correct number of coins to match each description. Okay? So number 16, 5 coins worth 66 cents. So we have all these coins, but we want to check mark just the amount of coins that will make 66 cents. So let's see. Let's check mark quarter, dime, nickel, penny. So let's see. Let's see how much that is. Let's check mark 2 quarters. Okay. Number 16. Check mark 2 quarters. 1, 2. And then, let's see, 1 dime. And 1 nickel. And 1 penny. So they want us to check mark 5 coins, right? 5 coins that will equal 66 cents. So we have 5 coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, does it equal 66 cents? 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 5 is 65. 65 plus 1 is 66 cents. All right? So for number 16, they want you to check mark 2 quarters, 1 dime, 1 nickel, 1 penny. And that's the answer. All right? Let's do number 17. So number 17 is the same as number 16. They say 8 coins worth 52 cents. Okay, so we have all these coins, and they want us to check mark 8 coins that are worth 52 cents. So let's see, we have a bunch of dimes, some dimes, nickels, a quarter, some pennies. So let's see, 8 coins worth 52 cents. So let's first check mark a quarter, 25 cents. Okay. And then let's do 2 dimes. 2 dimes. And let's do 3 nickels. And let's do 2 pennies. It says 8 coins worth 52 cents. So they want us to check mark 8 coins. Let's see how many coins teacher has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 8 coins. But does it add up to 52 cents? Let's do the math. 25 plus 10 is 35. Plus 10, 45. Plus 5, 50. Plus 5, 55. Plus 5, 60. Plus 1 penny, 61. Plus 1, 62. Oh, sorry, 52. 25, 35, 45, 50. Well, let's see. Maybe we can go, let's do one dime and 2 nickels. So let's see, 25, 35, 40, 50, 52. So let's do two more nickels. 1, 2. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 52. This equals 52 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And that's the answer for number 17. Okay. Page to page 41. It says cross X the correct number of coins to make each group $1. So we have all these coins, but we want to cross out what coins will make $1. So let's see. Let's cross out 1, 2, 3 quarters, 1 nickel, and 2 dimes. Okay? 25, 50, 75, 100. Remember, 100 cents equals $1. 100 cents equals $1. And then let's see, let's cross out the amount of coins that will equal $1. Let's cross out 1, 2 quarters, the 2 quarters, 2 nickels, and 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes. Okay, so let's count it up. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 cents equals $1. Okay? Now, number 20, it says, read what the children say, answer their questions, show your work. So, Nancy says, I have 3 quarters, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. How much do I have? So first they want you to draw. So draw 3 quarters, 1, 2, 3. Remember, quarters are 25 cents. So draw 3 quarters, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. Now that you've drawn it out, let's add it up. 25, 50, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 89 cents. Okay? And number 21. I had 2 quarters, 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies in my purse. Unfortunately, I dropped 1 quarter. How much do I have now? Okay, so let's draw it first. Let's draw 2 quarters, 1, 2, 3 dimes, 1, 2, 3, 2 nickels, 1, 2, and 2 pennies, 1, 2. But she says, I dropped 1 quarter, so let's cross out 1 quarter. Cross out 1 quarter. Now let's add it up. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 65, 62 cents. Okay? And that was it for Wednesday's math grade 2. Okay? Don't forget to go into your class activities and see what is your Thursday's classwork. Okay? And if you need help, scroll into your Monster in Stories and watch the Thursday's class activity. Thursday's class video, okay? And if you need help going over all the answers, teachers here every day on YouTube at 8 o'clock. To find the YouTube link, just scroll in your Monster until you see the YouTube play button and click on that link, okay? Thank you for joining Teacher here on YouTube Live. I'm looking forward to seeing all your submissions, and I'm looking forward to seeing you join Teacher again tomorrow on YouTube. Okay, so goodbye, grade 2. Hello, grade 3. Okay, grade 3. Let's review page 90, 91, chapter 22, locations. Okay, locations of shapes. All right. So let's look at chapter 22, page 90. It says, look at the picture, fill in the blanks. So here we have a fence, a wall, a flower bed, you have slide, swing, sandbox, restroom, Tom, and, okay? So let's use this to answer these questions. Number 1, the swings are blank squares to the left of the flower bed. So here's the swings. How many squares away are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We count the square that it's on, so 5. Number 2, so number 1 is 5. Number 2, the slide is blank squares up from the wall. So the slide is blank squares up from the wall. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, here's the wall. Here's the slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 3. The washroom is blank squares to the right of the fence. So here's the washroom. How many squares away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 3 is 5. Number 4. The sandbox is blank squares down from the gate. So here is the gate. How many squares down? 1, 2, 3. 3. Tom is blank squares to the right of the sandbox and blank squares to the left of the flower bed. So here's Tom. How many squares to the right of the sandbox? 1, 2, 3, 4. So Tom is 4 squares to the right of the sandbox and how many squares from the flower bed? 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay. And then number 6, Anne is blank squares to the right of the fence and blank squares to the left of the slide. So Anne is how many squares to the right of the fence? 1, 2. So Anne is 2 squares to the right of the fence. 1, 2. And let's see, and how many squares left to the slide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So here we'd say 2, 5, okay? And that's answers for page 90, okay? Then over here they want you to draw. So we have the trees, we have the buildings, we have the river. So number 7, Sally is 5 squares to the left of the river. Okay, so it says color the squares that are possible locations of Sally yellow. So she's 5 squares left of the river. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can color all of these yellow. Then it says Sally is 3 squares up from the buildings. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So here's, here it is. Put stripes on the squares that are possible locations of Sally. So put a stripe right here. Okay. This is write Sally in the square to show the exact location of Sally. So now that you know the exact location of Sally, write her name right here, okay? Okay. Number 9, it says Jerry is 4 squares to the right of the trees. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. He's somewhere here. And 5 squares up from the buildings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Jerry would be right here. Okay? Then write Jerry's name. Then it says, how many squares apart are Jerry and Sally? So here's Jerry, here's Sally. How many squares apart? Count the squares in between Jerry and Sally. All right? And that is it for grade 3 math, okay? Don't forget to check out Thursday's classwork in stories, all right? And if you need help answering any of your questions, feel free to join teacher again here tomorrow on YouTube Live, okay? Bye-bye. Okay, grade 4, are you ready? So, Ling, can you go to page 191? Page 191. So on page 191, teacher wanted you to work on contractions. And I had you skip a couple pages, but I wanted you to work on contractions. Remember, a contraction is a single word that is formed by combining 2 other words. For example, instead of saying should not, we can say shouldn't. Okay? So it's contractions are a single word that we use to combine 2 words. So this is a contraction. This is 2 words. We combine them together, and then we add an apostrophe. Okay? We use the apostrophe to replace a letter. So it says, letter E, it says form contractions. Form contractions from the following pairs of words. There is, there's, should, do not, don't, should not, shouldn't. We are, where, you have, you've, did not, didn't, I am, I'm, will not, won't, that is, that's. Okay? Those are the contractions for those 10 right here. Then letter F, it says fill in the blank with some of the contractions you formed in E. So use these contractions to answer these questions. Blank going to the train station, do you want a ride? Blank going to the train station, do you want a ride? I am. So we say I'm going to the train station, do you want a ride? Blank ridiculous. How could he have done that? So that's ridiculous. How could he have done that? Can you see that? Blank something behind the black curtain. There's something behind the black curtain. You blank Miss Lily. She is tallest girl on the team. Okay, so you blank Miss Lily. You shouldn't miss Lily. She is the tallest girl on the team. Number 5, blank listen to him. He is a liar. Do not. So don't listen to him. He is a liar. And number 6, Polly was sick. She blank go to the show. She did not, or she will not go to the show. So Polly was sick. She won't go to the show. Okay? And those are the answers from 1 to 6. Okay, that's it, Ling Ling, okay? And don't forget to check out Thursday's classwork, okay? Scroll under your monster until you see Thursday's classwork and watch that video. After watching the video, click on activities, the check mark, and begin the classwork, okay? If you need help and you want teacher to go over any of the questions, feel free to join teacher here every day on YouTube Live at 8 o'clock. Just scroll under your monster until you see the YouTube play button, and there should be a blue link under there. Click on that link, and I will bring you to this video, okay? Thank you for joining YouTube Live. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your submissions, and I'm looking forward to seeing you join teacher here again on YouTube Live. Bye-bye.